WTF is up with all these drones? Here's some channeled and psychic information on the recent explosion of drone sightings. I don't know anything about this. I haven't done any research, only the headliners I've seen and a few posts on Facebook. After I'm done filming this video, I will research it further. And if based on my research, I feel it's necessary to do another video, I'll do that. But this is going to be short and sweet. I did some automatic writing last night with the master teachers. That's the group I work with in channeling. Then I transcribed just the highlights, and I'm going to read them to you. It's all on my notes. So the first thing was they showed me ETs. They look like smaller Arcturians. Now, I'll get to the significance of that in a moment. But clearly, or at least these appear to be very terrestrial. So let me get into these notes. So what they were saying is we are seeing these as part of a carefully planned steps going on in your world. Be aware of smoke screens and distractions. There's a fear agenda, or at least partially there's a fear agenda behind that. Get people scared enough, then they get very distracted for other things that are going on. So be aware of the smoke screens. But that said, we see the military of several nations involved in this. We see these crafts gathering data to explore unseen energy fields and subtle phenomena for possible exploitation. We see devices that can detect energies and frequencies. We see this being less about direct espionage of the people, but a gathering of intel on secret operations using frequency and radio waves, Wi-Fi signals, etc. We see this as a testing, some of it of newer technology, and also some of it testing of human behavior, and some of it a blending of some of the extraterrestrial technologies. We see this as a connection to Project Bluebeam, or the creation of a War of the Worlds type of scenario to scare people enough to further centralize power amongst a small group of people at the detriment of a great many. It's all connected with the shift and with the awakening. We have informed you from 2022 that Project Bluebeam will begin in the year 2025 based on projected timelines. Timelines can change as we change, so let's raise our consciousness, right? And that changes the timelines to a more positive, right? There is likely alien technology and collaboration with the ET groups. So that's why I think they showed me the ETs. We told you that anomalous sky events, including crafts, would herald in the evolutionary spike in mass awakenings in 2024. So I think this is part of that. And we told you that UFO sightings and ET contact would dramatically spike this autumn and winter. And that's what I have. This is just, again, quick, information that I was getting. I'm sure more will come through, and I may do another video. This becomes more of an issue. But the thing is, like everything else, don't fear it. There's definitely things that are going on, things behind the scenes to control, to manipulate things, to gather information, stuff like that. And this could also be part of the, grand plan of more disclosures of extraterrestrials and extraterrestrial involvements, like things like ETs working with humans to develop technology, secret space programs, and stuff like that. So nothing to fear. It's just another step in this changing world. But it is an evolution. It is a quantum leap of consciousness. They can't stop what's happening. We can't stop what's going on in the world. So be in our hearts, be in our power, and be the magnificent beings of light and beacons of light and love that we are, to help humanity through the awakening and through these steps and these challenges along the way. So if you're interested, I had the entire winter 2025 psychic forecast for you here on a video. And thank you, and hopefully this is helpful. I love you. See you at the next video.